Suppandi, it's your job to take care of this patient while he's at our hospital.
But sir, who will take care of him when he leaves the hospital? Will I have to go and live in his house?
No. Now stop asking stupid questions. Give me the syringe. I need to give him an injection. Suppandi, why aren't you giving me the syringe?
Sir, you said I have to take care of this patient, so I can't let you give him pain.
Suppandi, your job is to help me.
No sir, my job is taking care of this patient.
Enough! I will get that syringe myself. Suppandi, hold his arm.
But sir, he's so scared.
Suppandi, please help me. I'm very scared of injections.
You don't need to worry. It's my job to take care of you. Remember, when Suppandi is here, there is nothing to fear.
Suppandi, listen to me. Just hold him down and I will give him the injection. Suppandi!